Abusua Sir Alex Eda ho gyina ne nan so a one day na asema wo ka ya ba akopɛ wo se ono oda ho gyina ne nan so Eda ho ka na asem se maame Akosua Serwaa se court korampo man 50 years se onfa eye ne marriage certificate emfamra maame no enya mfama ekere se ne ekura ni nyina no eye original na se legit ni na enye papa enunti na mode fa ha sia na ode afa ha wode fa ha onkokohia wo ka high court Kumasi a na fa eye marriage certificate bla akofa eye family book e dia ba enu achi no so yasa ma homle se fa marriage certificate bla na wa akotena baby akofa eye ne enye papa e dia ba abuzia ne ensem a wutwe ne se Alex Ayeka ase ye man samankrata akola abuzia oso no wejina ne na so ene wo chane na de che wutwa ne tikura mpu na asema obeka eye ba akopɛ se mahame no ne nkrata bia ni ho no ma na ase woni awale nkrata bia kyerese dade lumba ene ne wareye na emu no ne wo sele eye na chitafo no odobulu nya chitafo ana abusuapani kofi wusuro my father chitafo nyina ya ba akopɛ se ne ekoso no mahame no ene na tuate domo mayo mo se intimidation no mode ba enti odobulu ni tuate fo anase odobulu ni supporters no emo ma ba mu se intimidation ni sha se ekoso ne se bia ba akona ne ho beka wo mu nyina nyina no monko emfama no abusia yankwaje Sales and mu nsem mra hagusu eke black media
me say Ghana be dead, honey. Ghana be dead. At the end of that, I'm saying say no. Went to me for original my court, but you told the court said there was an original. One kasa lawyer jitu mu say the other buyer to prove the original no wasn't the original, but na a family book. And it is say no one copy Ayeka say for original brand you will be which is the daso you know what a translated version make us any translation but once I offer an extract the extract is significantly different from this one. So the question still remains where is the original marriage certificate?
And I make an assist I don't say yeah krano or more different one. I'm saying your problem. Come and show us on camera because when they court. And it's a more different one be a court and your problem. Come and show us
and your problem.
Honey, I want to be friend to a mobile baby. To say the anyway I do because you're through and only
Rubia. Mame, dear maker said the team should rally together. Honey. We can't say what video we saw. We have the best lawyers. We have the best lawyers. And the way the PR to be structure nyoma no. And nyoma be a PP ni nyoma ye hunen nyoma ya kano. Too much. But they are trying to intimidate the team. And I don't want any one of you to feel say, oh, me say me Debbie. The newest omunim kwaya di omofaso. How we arrested some of them, and they know say we are no joke. One two differences in Antonchene. Na yenye focus say, ubi biya na hobeka biya no. Let's come together and support that person, so that omamfa intimidation biya nyadeng amamoso. Hani they make out to me I say. But mamu can say ubi si wakofa certificate biya ba. Ontimi mfa foforo biya nka ho. Once you submit a legal document. So document can always be referenced regardless of any court and as I say be about it.
Are you? I have platform why I can't say severally. You cannot bring in any new evidence because you already submitted one and you swore on oath. You swore on affidavit. You swore on oath say the Modiaba na pepe.
Na I made them announce here make on.
Free na Modiaba.
Asema made beja what chief when say abua koto. Se abua chichidie o se denyo so se openi moja dodoa ahwa abua chichidie o se openi moja dodoa akwanema o mse den
ye din sugar frame
bedase nti aduru ho wadama honey
Alex Pacho 1 minute Mr. Alex Serwaa letter no second Pacho Centuries ni sorry one letter from the German embassy no omunya gats e di courtroom ho
amakot letter na eba court no there okay dear Anquanama Channel, Rahel show me some much of Hasaya.
Yeah, and then I am Mr. Alex.
Ah, okay. Because the omode buy yes, and on a letter C, evidence C no omode buy no. What you say? Aha, C no, and omode buy. And see three things omode buy court. The marriage certificate, and no share. You know, more file and it was A, exhibit A. And now, do the second phase, no be a B, no, and now, Quadama the actors of first.
Yeah, B, no.
And now, the translation, no, and then a B1. And then, no be a B1 or Hasi. And a letter from the German embassy. The questions are all when they say, there are a lot of investigation in Yoma Bionoma. Nina line it up, a kaka crabby. Tinama who say, ya dear, shadiano. Nyoma eba court no. Those three documents. The fourth one Omantu Dino and the family book. Those are the 4 documents I buy. Aside that there can be pictures and a year krata funeral you be on the buy. But I'm happy say more dissect was let's continue to dissect.
But also, Mr. Lex, when it's a family book, no crowd, they call court no one file you. It's no crowd won't me friends sharp you. Because one file,
but two say court no be catch and say. Nka on famra for sight and I compare. Underline whether judge no use you for sight and no I say wa mama opportunity say famra no keke. When a judge requests say famra keke, you can show it. But a man filing as an exhibit. What I say? And in that Ayeka say an original marriage certificate was never brought in court. And that is the certificate I had. Yes. And honey. Yeah, Akosua and Chreda.
Alex,
yes.
Alex, please, can I ask you something?
Yes.
So this is Lady J.
Hey, lady. Lady, how are you?
More money, Ejumapa. But then there was something that is bugging me a bit. With all these discrepancies and things that have been seen in these documents, I believe, say, if I'm just suggesting this. If the lawyers from Obi and Ebusiapenyi do not make examples of these people, every day Biane will be a different asem. So at what point will something be done towards these documents that were done, or we'll have to wait until the appeal is over?
Honey, lady, yes, say answer na your friend beto boabo. Nani na yeden. ACB so pacho kan ko mato ya
Sa pacho mo ka flebe maybe sawa sana wako. Maybe say it is and yemi o media be ye ntimi san go back to Germany embassy go be some of them na.
Lady, enu nyina ha ye adwuma ye lawyers ene enyoma ye ho adwuma no. What you say? Aha, enu na ma enyoma because Ghana German embassy no and you might be one mammy to me can was it. And Nintin and your Mercos were Germany. Tis a case a year you may be Germany and Uncle Phone Tiasia. Those are the things that yes, you shim our Germany. And I'm telling you, and you might be piano, who crab bedding, a bit of my own time and see.
When we are now, we are okay with questions that will be some
Let's that's it.
That's it.
Mr. Les, any answer you have? Why?
Honey, thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Okay. Well, ma Lillian pesa me kind baby. Akwa na nti de wo camera no mesro. Wo mesro.
Monarch and Swab Saya Chu.
Hey, Monarch. Monarch at say me do. Monarch. Yeah, we yako. Mami Lillian why? I'm saying I'm starting from paragraph 90. Upon a look at SBB and B1 being the purported marriage certificate and its translated copy, and also the purported original that was brought before the court by counsel for the plaintiff, for the court to compare after the plaintiff had closed her case. The court agrees with counsel for the defendant that the purported marriage certificate as submitted has no probative value. Here, the purported marriage certificate is a foreign document bearing a foreign official signature. Section 161 of the Evidence Act provides that Section 161 foreign official signatures. A signature is presumed to be genuine and authorized if it purports to be the signature affixed in his official capacity of an official of an international public entity or a state or a public entity in a state recognized by Ghana, and the writing to which the signature is affixed is accompanied by a certification of the genuineness of the signature and official position of the person who executed the writing. Such certification must be signed and sealed by a diplomatic agent of Ghana or of a Commonwealth country who is assigned or accredited to that country. If reasonable opportunity has been given to all parties to investigate the authenticity of a foreign official signature, the court may for good cause shown order that it be treated as presumptively authentic without a certification. These required provisions were not adhered to mutio by the plaintiff. At page 18 of the written address by the plaintiff, not only did counsel admit that the same was not done, but with the explanation that there are practical hardships in meeting the statutory demands of Section 1612 of the Evidence Act. And yet, in the answer to interrogatories, the first question was answered to show that an authentic version of the marriage certificate certified by the consular Ghanaian mission in Germany was attached, which was not the case. When you're in trouble. The interrogatory was answered by Richard Oparidako. Richard Oparidako is lawyer Kusi. Lawyer Kusi why person the clerk. The interrogatory was answered by Richard Oparidako, that is the clerk of the plaintiff solicitor, who is not fit to do so since he is not the lawful attorney of the plaintiff. There is on record a lawful attorney, and yet the said Richard Opari that went ahead and answered on oath the interrogatories of matters he had no personal knowledge of, supplying untruth. Mutio. More FYP mutie. Supplying untruth answers. Untruth answers, what does that mean? Akwanoma. Nanenin, what does untruth answers mean? Comment section, Montromai. Akwanoma, what does that mean?
Lies.
So supplying untruth answers as clearly the attached document is not authentically certified document was rather unfortunate, and the law clerk should desist from such unlawful acts. Mommy Lillian, Makairi, Akwanoma.
So
it's not like that during the way who near maybe. Maybe I said the air can brim.
The patrol now was a number of abuano, me bano website wa timpana camera sendo nanka or a chairman for because my media as a more pity my mediano. Nobody was missing that sendo or DM now I am a banadiano.
Matthew, first send me number the memo quad man or the train because I am Pajama with me banadino now or the yard.
Mate, just say, to send my own ye beb cover side me a Kazakata so or Chinane de Abesha.
Mate. Oh, yeah, but there's a problem even with the eagle. Oh, ain't it a me business right now? No, what is the way out? We no person will gather documents where now person will report here. Who report here, Mawaya? Because judge no reject it. These are the questions I need help to. I believe that we can, talk about it. Akonoma, and it's a train eagle maybe mpacho.
Eagle, come back, Eagle. Ego. Okay, ego in there. That's it. Inspire. Yeah, kind of maybe say sometimes say scan document under a high resolution scanner. Obey say obenya sa pixelations we the moment obenya sa pixelations we first a document then it should raise eyebrows. So what I say yeah dear okay me dear me in case my mini document ni fake. But these are some things and I say these are cause for concern because of some of these now you know my meno a document me I can't conclude and I say me concluding but never be say on any document ya scanning because sometimes say all the phone but we know they scanned it with a machine. You know, sa nyama we be na no e be pipi abamu. So I just say
so this is why it's really important say we ask the question, why did they struggle to produce the marriage certificate within 1 month? Because on the 28th of October they were told say for original nebrani. What stopped them? Where is the original? I think Ayeka is original now already. It doesn't make sense. Now, so another document that is different from this one, I put it on your camera. If you surely believe, say, and no, they call a public document now. Pan it on your camera. Let's see. I don't know to me. Yeah, pan it because it's the document that was sent to court. We don't have any fears.
Form B no.
Aye.
The form B.
Wait say me. Okay, wait there. Nobody way kukuru way at Ghana court. Come on, guys. Look at this.
That's it.
Look at this. Dorinda was she was super too. Nah.
Inspire me there. Yeah, there. Yeah, Kase. But one Kasa one judge.
So writings let me break fade. As NCOB, Akoto NCOB is trying to wash away the ink from the paper. It doesn't make sense. Come on, guys. It is a more better one. There's
no better one. There's no better one.
Theo.
So say, share. Sa document we. So say scan here, right? Show. Zoom in because a year authentic document until you will see sa pixelations in the room. Upa zoom in said day. So as I say, Upa zoom in said day because we know a year document na chese. Yes, scanning is straight ahead. We say enya phone na try a scanned pa inti ubon say bibia no sa pixelations in room. But the moment obekwa akofa we abape na o sha say zoom in na just look
at this. Look at the try eagle ne nine. Hey. I see that been oh no.
Yeah, country.
Doesn't make sense. But hey, Akonoma said it and minya ready na member lawyer kusi interview ni emfa Yenfa bibi kakra mfem ne yemmo nyon wan bi ne ngoba na high tense. High tense ende me di obati wa ende oba eni minutes. Oh mati me do kasa.
Thank you so much. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Good evening. Honey, me pacho wo enti yenya obia wo Germany a yebekwa akọ report mami. Because honey, what I don't understand is I say it with my full chest. Right? We know say this is forgery. And honey, this is
Belanya would say a pacho.
Me pacho, asom yes no credit why to sebe, right? And these are court documents are public, and I can say it with my full chest say idea way a fraud, and me mom party and come to Germany to be frank and can go and report because no honey say yamfa obi anye a example. This thing will keep going on because you're doing say Ghana no amamre no would you say honey who bet me the idea where you ba America you be arrested within less than 24 hours and you know a whole court now for yetimi the sad document etimi akwa deceive a whole Ghana court because they think say Ghana there abayin yejuma ye ni ye can say any form of verification enti no enye ye betimi aye ne ayepe na hani nka ye menko a em se nya meaning de enti amanya judge enka that day na won na ka ye the handcuff egu enkofu wensa because this is fraud and say we don't have anybody in Germany that we can report this woman to because this woman has to be jailed. Because who fake it? Just say I don't even know what to say. Who fake it? A German document. What we very well say. I deal with you in your document. Was saying kitao, but because of say sebe manuda sumuna so as no kwaya kan yen to sebe. So when you fraudster, won't you mean ya deal with any bra any no cry any baby. Enti na nipa enti mi hye ne yonko enti mi twantro na nka me pamle ni abusua pani a wo enka metwa no wo Germany ho me ena nka me abusua pani a ka metwa Akosua Serwaa e wo Germany ho na baby a wo no because me wo Maryland, right? And you must say, what they call America for, they will verify, they will see everything. So they are no. And you way, na nipa baako. Etimia Ghana court, ababe deceive Ghana court. And see, honey, my question is that, German embassy, yet mean ko report here the way. Anna, I'm not making sense.
I am trying to say the same thing. Why?
I am probably not making sense here.
There you are.
Because how? Say a woman, or Baba Coupe, and deceiving the whole Ghanaians and faking documentation. What show me? Now me saying, come in here, Busia Penny to park away. Erade, but I know say Abusia Penny doesn't want to take her on because of say a humobro. Right? Because I deal with me say, I am telling you, honey, say I deal with your reporting my German quarter. Akosua Serwaa will be in jail. Because I dear anyone, what see a wo? I dear, why when himself will be and what Benny Pop Bonnie Sam, any bay, and then
Bella, me pacho, Mr. Please.
I said what I said with my full chest, but
Bella, please, no, unim. Impany 480 program me, impany 480 power choye best sell. Say some of the statements, nyabutre. Why?
But what what I'm trying to say is, right, Bella, I understand you. Bella, but what I'm trying, me pacho me to wasiye, me pacho bebre, pacho me to wasiye, right? But what I'm trying to say is, and kamine ebusia penny to park, right? Because say no say Akosua Serwaa or the ebusia penny to park court. And you know, again and care fene say ebusia penny so fan court or Germany. Simple. Because say ya precedents be wo Ghana won enipa bebrebe timi aba Ghana aba be deceive Ghana courts. I am telling you. And you know, enya about say yento sebio and I say enya about say yempe we. This is the truth. Because no, you are deceiving a whole government. You are deceiving a whole court, which is a one person of self-respect, right? You don't have self-respect. And it's a self-respect, and maybe why you will not do it. And now wait to me the fake documents, and I say it with my full chest again. Bella. Oh, brad. Sana mekasa.
But on this platform, when you come, why?
Mati, Obi say I'm hiding my face. Me sure na me come. Me wo US why your friend me Bella Johnson. And Akosua Serwaa can take me on. And you know, I was saying set some form of precedence. A bit see me aye way. Na busua penny me so bebre se wutie me a. Senya Akosua Serwaa ti me aye bold do akokot. So ye bold. Na fa ni court gina Germany court. Na ye hu say ade oye no. Documents no de be ye fraud. And na say a genuine document because from me IT, right? Me say na say we copy and paste, right? Any obi or IT piano or more like softwares no. What did show be everybody will say a copy and paste, right? And you know enyama we enya yento sebio enya yento sebi. Me patcham down. Thank you so much, honey.
Me patcham. Thank you. I your face no. Me who say no more do. Or patch sa kusa so I side your face. Nyawo.
Malilen. Me patcham. Abuano difference between
address me patcham. Asa school. Pamcho. Abusia for yes rem. Yapamucho. This platform, you don't know the kind of people who listen to this platform. So I say, you can make your point without insulting. I stepped out for a while and made sure some Mrs. Towns were muting they are on Bonoso so action hokakra. Intimate say Oba, just make your point. You can make your point without insulting anyone. If I say you saw live at 3 p.m. In Ayeka, but insults in the yes, man from Bakra.
I'm fighting Sando one part of the brain because you difference between difference, more difference. Never get one.
Now, what's me a Sunday, my man?
I don't from back you because my for a long time. But won't follow me. Send them more. I do be follow me.
About your mom, what's happening among Shanamuni goals? Maybe my wife. I'm alive.
No GD says, Sunny, Alice near Becca Sayano. On Nema Bebria, on way, because Miss initially let me boo ye for Betsy Alice Becca Sayana. I sama me ako from Kakantimo, Ubia and Fasu Bubia Mebo Bella, baby a Dunisian or see a corner. Aha.
Malilen, Obia Monsubo, Obia Monsubo, but
Mamma gift you.
We are trying to big remember.
Yep.
Obia Monsubo, but we are trying as much as possible. Say,
you Uncle Man, patrol you, Mati.
We make this platform accommodating for Obia. So I just say, Obia Onuma, say, Okasana, say, attend the day about Okasema. Untimi njina in TV. Untina yebesre say Oba, just make your point and don't insult. Esrem be brave. Why? Obetimi abem. Ray. Big Ray.
Bajo Michio Bia.
Yeah, Joseph.
Me pacho frame.
Bajo say.
Naka ye from all the Ajun Shaba, but say now I
Me try set me be me microphone and me.
Okay, Bajo Maminya no kasa we wa me da.
Me sure me dey a quick one pa.
Bajo ka.
And say me wo UK. Na me ye adwuma wo UK me ye adwuma wo government department.
Me pacho mame just a sima mame 1 second. Pacho asasko me follow wa into for document ni bre me me that situation.
Okay. Na asem we no. Ene wanwa eye me ne say Ghana government our responsibility wa asem we. Ghana government responsibility ne say se bi mimi wo krom hei se make say obi me prove certain document bi fan say should it be should it be marriage certificate or whatever no na nipa ni di free kro bi so ene baaye na me feel say enye genuine na nipa na follow the process no and I say when eba say document chrono a raise questioner as a government employee no men so me wo responsibility say e wese men so no me call back to baby ade ni free e ko ye enquiries mate de obi e kan ebusua panyi yese we but me question no a baby a me struggle to really understand and say what is Ghana government doing about this, because no say woman kwan say obi betimi the document bi aba should it be say your original kura na say wo doubt na say wo want mi anhwehwem na wu just say defendant na say obi responsibility other than quarter. I think say is totally wrong. Because the government and Ankasa also needs to fish these kind of documents. And I said, these kind, should it be forgery? Should it be original? Government and super hands in it. Because this is a case, the whole Ghana, Obi are you interested? Maybe we UK. During the last year, because I wanted to know where these things and where it's going, where it sits. And baby, I drew not me yet. Worried the power you say what is Ghana government doing about this, and I don't seem to get any answer from Ghana court to say adieno most suspected say adieno a original because who read the outcome of court na everything tells say the actual procedure na was so follow see the behind the document to the court it wasn't followed, and therefore there is a suspicion say there must be a foul play in with the document, and as the court na kasa as Ghana court what are they doing about it? Because a chrome ha won't mean fa bibi ye suspect say any original no. And I say, ye fake no. Wunti mi mfa emma ha court emechre na unye wuti ndidi mungo. Ye beko ako investigate, and if it's investigated, ne ye hu se ade na enye original. Enye original. Ye be arrested. Really good, you. Me part no. Be hona me menti ase. So what is Ghana government doing about it? Because the same way, I am someone put to microphobia at risk. And I feel say Ghana if the government is taking initiative to say or person was stop certain things and beer. This shouldn't have been rumbling on to date, to be honest. And my main be say why is the government not doing anything about it? Because Libya Kotonte Odobruni or a citizen of Ghana.
That's a very good question. I Wahani me pacho met me abomoha.
Me pacho me too.
Yes, this is one part of the nation judiciary. To bring the whole government. That is too big to mention. Judiciary, immigration, everybody are doing their duty. I'm saying, time will be cross a government to cross a chief justice. Yeah.
Mr. Safo,
she knew where to go.
Maza Bajo,
when we say government, who is government? Government is me. Government
mention the judiciary.
Obi say that tells you that it is an original. Agnes.
It doesn't convince me say original.
I want to make a point. I want to make a point. Lawyer Kusi in an interview, Eka say, Judge Dorinda in the court, Eka say, when who omonie mana omo yeno. So as I say, it tells you say, even Judge Dorinda in the court was so skeptical about these documents. In my opinion, what am I fancy here? But which is a statement from Lawyer Kusia, it tells you say the judge raised some concerns about these documents in the courtroom.
A big rain, Pachamada Nuncia na Wakasampa.
Nasam no canana, but I make Casabians and our court.
Big rain,
right? But in law. Our Neman or the Queno, and yet against the state. Go for two and what disaster. It's just like say, who are Britain? Yes, we were Germany, meaning Britain, because money now. Say, Uko worry wa Ghana ba. Now, but so you write to Baba. Now the document in a court. That's a worker say, it be a bank statement, you're right. They don't arrest you in Britain. They won't reject you. Right? Who application? It's just like say, who can apply visa? Now say work for statement of account Bibra. Now for jury will be statement of account. When you anything against the state. Whereby we be against the state. This is a question say or ye be against the state now. A state non can and go back. But two that one to the honorable Burundi, Wakachi won't say or reject it, so unaccept it. Right? Because so asemna before them grana what be dia asemna ngasa grana what you when nema one fason ye and they couldn't do it or they take they couldn't do it until no reject it until to children but you show me that's it
big gray inspire one
what for real
okay because I
chat one say if the ability for them to go to appeal court no will be say any assembly he say a switching no the appeal court may throw this off completely because
I can't answer that
say who cover a dear free baby their bar me what US na me je be free Ghana now US ni chire say memma ni power koje no and call authenticate. Ghana, who am I going to? Into what they call notary officer no. Self so my brother and pa and no no try the man. It mean my brother have to show card way. And in birth set, Amma notary officer no extra was so say he saw this himself. Into my brother and pa. You see, na kwaji ye free way de ba. Now when you say so omo hear the right authentication or Germany where the German people will say, hey, I can do this. So fake things were done. Where the normal person use no. Sorry, I have no other word. So they did fake things. Now Judge Dorinda want peace.
allegedly fake things.
Okay, for the sake of the platform.
Pacho, when I saw yes, I said it's wrong. Binti, almost me the word fake, and it's not fair.
You see, na judge no epe peace. Enti why or the train ya do cross abishe mu say even though de our dear krata ejaye krata aba ede ensa aba anka mamre kwan so no waba beja awade in a way. Some of us, you some type of awade bi ensa no de kono so ma woto twene ho na wo kwa that is awade jaye. Why when nyina has been done. But still, judge and say, there be. Enti no, once all ye yere. Enti monko na monko hu abusuan fo na monko ye moyi. We say mempene me court.
Me pacho me kasa no obi be kan say wo ye wo submit document say wo kwaje visa. Wo submit document say wo kwaje visa is different from when you are dealing with the court.
That is right.
It be say document, should it be fake dear? Now it is deemed as perverting the course of justice.
Yes.
And it is arrestable offense. And nipa na osi wonim UK law no. Nipa no opa on Google no on say even should it be even a civil case, say who submitted document even in a civil matter na come out to say no there is a suspicion or should it be deemed to say you faker, what outcome would you get in UK? UK Hano, you will be deemed as you are perverting the course of justice, so you will be arrested.
I don't want to tangle with you, but lawyer no, judge and can say a fake. Say she is not going to accept it. This was she said in her judgment.
Big Gray me paucho.
Judge won't accept it.
Big Gray me respect to Bebre. We've seen the documents on there. Please. One case how you judge near the documents way Jana.
Exactly. Say judge won't accept it. Number one. Na se nipa nso no wan take the process na court na ka che ne se on take no na onfa ade no so the court can get the document any penalty mi anya. These two it raises a question, say could the document no nipa na ntimi am go through the process no, could it be deemed to say a fake na? And this is a case, mene hona na menti asiye no. As a judiciary, no. Omu also have a job here to try and investigate it. Even because omu kaso omu investigate a very straightforward. As a judiciary, omu be contact the German embassy straight away. Na oma tro the reason tia omu need clarification of the document, and then this is not something that ebedi even 2 weeks ikura. Enti meno hono and I'm so itchy. Hono say menti asiye say this simple idea no etimi arambo on over a year na yeda ho kan ade we ho asem no. Say ya abrochre baby asem we anka it will take less than 2 months anka is sorted in kobi ehunu who is the actual winner, who is the loser, because it's been rumbling on and it seems to say asem we ya asem wa your friend say a public interest asem be a public interest biano a crony interest to find out the truth, and it shouldn't be dragging on till now.
Medal say Big Ray me paucho Papa she kasa sa Akosua Serwaa suma no so onko German embassy wo Ghana nto besimi asori a Germany for me bi samo wo besimi asori a na nka beti Germany na ma sorry na ma frɛ me nua oh me nua akwanoma ko German embassy na kwana kwaji we bre me pacho sa na na Big Ray
mami bajo da bi bajo tie
ti sani bo wa ya me tight we sani
bo bajo mami kan chiro tie
asam we cannot beat around the bush when the truth is right in front of our face.
Okay.
And the word fake, we look, we are not the word fake. And the one thing I don't want anybody, look, everybody has the right to use their own words. Fake, falsified, counterfeit is their choice. Media, I'm not just saying, say, well, but am I but feel free to express yourself to the fullest.
But
Whether you want to use the word fake, it's her choice or it's another person's choice. We need too much vocabulary. The fake no name. Apart from fake, only too much vocabulary. Into the other 1 year. Somebody cannot sit on the internet and say because of another woman who couldn't take care of her own marriage and was absent, you know. Because of her, we cannot use the word fake. Ade Yedeneka, I know a Ghana citizen, which is which.
Mibato, Mitma Kasa.
Ose kasa won kasa ma mento aso ha. Hwe asemba akupe me ka kire odobro ni achidifo.
Mpacho ma big green kasa.
Mibato tie. Sa asemu ide bia me ba na me nya me kan na me ka to sense. Right? Akosua Serwaa de bia me kase. Min twin kase wa ware ano ware because tama mimi nim won no. Na on ware da lumba ye. Right? Na lumba woni krata eno no so woni krata. Sa asema waka kire no mi de bia hu zawe min kase min pesa mi kase o ware ano ware ye. Right? If you say minimum out to some time, minimum lumba pa up to 2000. After 2000 no ena me yentem titiwe ya na minimum ni bibia biem. Na se Akosua Serwaa obaso stand samt. Na because even embassy going to me guess one hour na one worry this stand samt. Na se okoso stand samt da. E be taking 1 2 3 hours pe no we gina no stand samt. Se okoka che stand samt say me the adre court for Ghana. We be sealed documents. I saw the court. Na I saw paternity test. Now for the government. For government to paternity tester, one way or the cocota, one way no, Jacodu court answer. And inter me say, nay, a yin a very questionable. The Bia Mika say a very questionable papa. Right? Indeed to prove it, you know, because say our chrome ha, what fees or yeah over there, what she lumbe wino. Why go gonna bear 5 6 times? Na say Germany ha.
Oh, one waka.
You, but you cheer. Say Germany ha. Say woni wukunu wo ho. Na so wukuna wu a obetu aka kire adwuma mfuse mepa chew mikuna wu ndi mi koyede yama wobema days na de akwakwa yi na ba right if you kura no so wunu bia wunu ade na so uka na so obi a family pa na uka obetu ma be ye wabrochiri right yetra ha che yenim se na hate eni yenim se na law ne te because we are allowed say obeka kire adwuma mu se but mikuna wu minya 3-4 weeks nam de koye na yi naba anko be de aman enti na asem na kasan very questionable right court okoi but you work Ghana be 5 times then enti na kasan tu ko gina court wo no wo mi chane sembi no ya no enti sani ni man o ye very questionable na ni amuka na mi member mu ni say German government right you oni abi wo ho a state dey I was state where sa case ya wokoi this say obi koye complain ma German embassy say ebi am yobusuani say ni na ekosuni because we the last time we call Ghana last year November right na obi wo Ghana ni bia owo ogita German passport no yare ontumi nyahwe we call German embassy we ko bisa won say Bacha obi betranga na by force say register or embassy ana ambassador consul na catch me say right they be any by force no wo pa obetumi say wo mpa so em by force nem say so bi nya asem no nya helper then obey ana wo nya asem as a German na ko embassy ho na so ka say wo nya helper the way so assist obey assist but near bi ho they will not do it. Because lumba ni Akosua Serwaa ni odobo ni asema wako hoi want to abusapani on to media sam no ha just say offer lawyer bi no ka je lawyer ni say lawyer mpacho me ye ni abusapani ana say me ye ni nua ebi a lumba ni kura ka say ni nua because abochi ayewe bacho mu abochi mu ni se na tifa obi o ha wo fra no kwadwo mensa nso ni din na ode kwadwo bibi na ode ye ni nkata ntini nkata so kura no ebi eni so na ode ma lawyer na lawyer betuma fishisa ne menya very simple no de amount So, and this what I say, or double every Busapani, Busapani, but on account 2 years and Akasaba, you know, to be a Busapani, then the Obitma Follower. No, because we be wood to them, Atakulu, or wait out that in them for 10 days. Right? What about Fano Queno? Be dear cheers and Besamina home formation. Edu Babino, Waka James and Yobus and into Mammy in information. Bia. In this sanity. So German government so be a complain said the baby a complain e busapani akwa ke se mi bayawu na akasam sense ho we complain embassy na because embassy on to 5 years mfe this asamun mbacho me da se obi o kwashi me betuma bisam.
No, yeah, okay. One of the things, Mom Lily, but one of the things, for divorce certificates, it's such a weak question. It's such a defeatist question. So, for divorce certificates, bro. When you know, that a customary marriage. So why are you asking her for divorce certificate? Number 2, customary marriage. If you like, you register it. If you don't like, you won't register it, and by force. So for you guys to be asking Odoboni that questions, it means that you don't have answers, and that's why you are asking that very silly question. Yes, sir, you don't have to ask her. Say one call for divorce when you be mal because of customary marriage, and then by force. So be
honey, say yay Odoboni for yes say show me your marriage certificate and I will give you your divorce. There was no marriage. Why are you asking me to give you your divorce certificate? In the first place, there was no marriage. Sana Odobrini for Ayeka. So we catch it mo say someone say lumba ne Akosua Serwaa jaya and then mofa divorce certificate in umra. Catch it in the across say.
Germany hano, right? Sir Muja Waria. A court pronunciation. Court the mamu German friend Otai. Right? A decision from the court. And Krano, after 1 month, that court be pronounced divorce, no, a real court, no, right? After 1 month, and then a be valued, a be restricted, right? And inti, just say, and Krano, 1 month certificate is where you are you. What brow court a decision no so we worry na so pese e bia opeto ko ware obebi na opeto den na dia o kostana samda so ma be more let us say we are single and as we are divorcee and as we are widow den na adi na enti one year manema no Akosua ayi ne manema no o say di baby a esan say yem person we be yaw yen anase ebe kase mi no be kase be rough we don't go in very much yen come bebre mi jo here platform bia so na me ko right magma me ko so na me kade bia no enu na me kade bia right enti wo hasam de very delicate lumba niama e wo Ghana na wo prices here no if it's a German fukura un say or that value things na say lumba kita German passport ha Sanya many yakresa go to tax.
But people chose come on it dear. Mr. Wada Romania meha Mr. because I'm only basing my argument on
paragraph 2 of the judgment.
Me pacho me akwanoma o. Akwanoma wa ha. Okay. Me pacho buma me 1 minute. Akwanoma o ho. What's from? Okay.
Honey, me chow with a quick one because me driving tea. Me to say big green patch me chow. See you. Yeah. Me to say who can say judge and can say I didn't fake. Yes, there are some terms be a court ni yusu a court ni chusu the say or no edeba ni judgment ni me patcho. Verdict ne buy no what me act say and what can be who say judge ne ka say the certificate no enye authentic mpacho what is
onye authentic she's not going to see
me mpacho when we say yatiti say yes Jack Dorinda ka say we need a fake if Jack Dorinda says a fake oh never be me I don't want to talk about it.
No,
maybe Mamilandi Wadaroma. So Dorina can say a fake, yeah, not just whatever the lawyers have given her something for her to see say a fake, right? Is that not the argument?
Yes,
for a
yes.
judge, she cannot necessarily say it's a fake because I've done my checks.
Yes.
She never used the word fake. She says I didn't hear authentic. It's inauthentic.
And it can be original.
She didn't use the word fake.
So Big Ray.
Yes, sir.
According to lawyer Kusi, the plaintiff lawyer no. Yedi amniwe ya within 30 minutes or granting interview. Osi judge ne say aka kire ne say ono judge no nim de ekoso. Omo kon manufacture paper bi no mo de abe kire ne say. So if someone else will this it means say during the proceedings, it was said to their face say this certificate is fake because any DSC will court in an eba judgment.
Bajoti, so Kokota, near over Canadian, we are that written judgment in our watch and they are valid. Right?
Maybe I see into why did lawyer Kusika ask him, say judge and say because then I know they also just show him the cause of fake papers normally better than say marriage certificate.
But you me
as a lawyer Kusika sir.
But you me a lawyer Kusika. Lawyer Kusika you Nubia Kayu. Say o komremu dia. The judgment you have to read the judgment. You will not show what judgment is no and they juma.
Okay, Mate. So Big Ray, opposite of authentic then antonyms we are Yebeka see antonyms synonyms are opposite of authentic that there.
But me hear sideways any opposite any reverse. I am talking about judgment here.
So it is not authentic. If something is not authentic, it's bogus or fake. It is not. Yeah, the not na show. Yanka say it is authentic. You say it is not authentic. And if something is not authentic, it's bogus. Bogus means fake. And Papa she so confirm here because of court one the courtroom one no or say or no the necessity ni say judge ni say a fake. So if something is not authentic, where meanings be false, bogus, fake, monfa binke kaun. So
counterfeit,
yeah,
not acceptable.
Bobia won't be. Anything say judge be my pronunciation. Lawyer beka chiro say o twen written ayina wode beba no e no be hu ni obeye. Right? Mr. Oh, yeah, educate here. The and can be mobile.
Big Ray, yeah, educate here. On what the case in any me, I'm not part of the case. On what judge I courtroom. I be catch a public and say judge and so on the fake paper be about the say marriage certificate.
But your Matthias.
Until you see him the right thing to do and per the hour can say lawyer see or better the public you him the right thing to do about say
near Kusi can in nature. Kusi Babe reply. Or Babe reply to the public.
Big Ray.
Yes. But
listen, me say a argument back and forth between us will be about or the same opinion.
Okay, any idea about your matter?
Opinions are like noses.
Yeah.
How are no? Ebia enye sana obi hono. Nti yesem se obi share an opinion please come and share yours. Na ye movie on why the pamocho be.
Bacho me dasi.
One bacho person bisa si you asem kakra. Si one bacho dano nene ye person.
Over several make me borrow box no.
Oh bacha ane bacho pa minsi form na
borrow mine.
Mate me borrow there just in case.
See you.
Bali lempacho mitio.
Baby judge ne ka so mo ko sheto kro bi mu na. O ma trotro ne baby dia ba ye wie ne san warning on da no kenkan nyina kire ye.
I want 90, 91.
91. Hani akai na mi dem.
Na what you kind of ana
I say, o state clearly. Say, o ma ko she baby na o ma ko tro, o ma de name bi atro no warning.
And one I make my mouth no.
It was not complete o wudi no.
Mali le nya botre, see you meba.
Nguso
meba nya botre.
Nguso ma e ko ni de
Onti men kana. Mali le, you say
Agwan ma metonka pa.
Meba. Se obi ready adia, right? Obi onuma ekwan a obefa so a obegege ho ne ade no. CEO say obegege ho bi ame mintimi engege ho ma osa. So as I say, but the na wo pay ti no eno an ready ho paragraph 91 ne ma on why it does it.
Me dem fi se bia na kakakra sha wa wan fa because then CEO de na tintin kama na ane dia no
so o say o di I source ni ade gugu so na e kama ara se
mate me da se
okay honey and one na me work anti say if obi a request ya
CEO jeje home ma lile CEO jeje home but me so dem mintimi jeje home
I agree me ba me jiwu ye kra more than that me de nyama be wura mu
ya pusa paper no amanka ya ti ana si wo ya maloto na makro bibi 61 no eno ya de 1961 na
me ba ankwa no ma mesra from B no waye ho adwuma
ene pa de ye be attack we
from B no the show ye no yes from B no ana em so all can but say munye ho adwuma de I think say
ene de ye be attack sa document we because sa document we na papa she de beje de court say what they kwa confirm ma me Akosua Serwaa certificate no